Good morning, students. Today we will do the question answers of the poem Good Morning. The first question is, why is the child in the poem happy? In this, you have to tell the reason behind his happiness. So, the answer will be, as you had read the poem and you all very well understand that the child in the poem is happy because he is wishing good morning to all. The child is happy because he is saying good morning to everyone. The second question is, to whom does the child say good morning? In this, you have to tell the names to whom the child is saying good morning. So the answer is, the child says good morning to the sky, the sun, the winds, the birds, trees, grass and bees. Question number 3. What does the child want to do? In this question, you have to tell what are the things the child is willing to do or wishes to do. So the answer is, the child wants to play with the birds and the bees. What does the child want to do? He wants to play. With whom? With the birds and the bees. Question number 4 is, what do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw in the 2 boxes given below and color the pictures. There are 2 boxes. I have already drawn the pictures. Now you have to draw the pictures whatever you see during the daytime, as well as in the other box what do you see at night time. So I have drawn in the daytime, I have drawn sun, clouds and birds. You can draw whatever you want to, whatever you see around in the daytime you can draw. And at night I have drawn stars and moon. Stars and moon. You can draw other things as well if you want to. What does the 5th question say? Write 2 words each from the 2 pictures you have drawn. Now in the 4th question you have drawn the pictures. In the 5th question you have to write any 2 words. Whatever you have drawn in the 4th question, you have to write the names in the 5th question. During daytime, whatever you have drawn, you can write it here. So I have written sun because I have drawn sun, and birds as I have drawn 2 birds in this picture. And during night time, I have written moon and stars. You can draw whatever you want to and write the names as well, whatever you wish to. In the 4th question, you have to also color these pictures. As I am not having colors with me, so I have not colored the pictures, but you can color it according to your wish or according to the color required. Thank you.